Welcome to NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, your weekly pulse on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the mass commercialization of autonomous vehicles. The autonomous vehicle industry has officially left the R&D lab and is aggressively launching cheap, scalable, and fully driverless services in the real world. First, let's look at Tesla's two-pronged U.S. launch. They're running a fully unsupervised robotaxi service in Texas, deliberately undercutting competitors with a $3.25 base fare, plus just $1 a mile. Simultaneously, they're producing the Cybercab, a sub-$30,000 vehicle with literally no steering wheel. Crucially, Tesla's unboxed process cuts their factory footprint by 40%. Think of it like snapping together Lego blocks in parallel, rather than using a century-old linear assembly line. So how are competitors matching this cost reduction? Second, at Auto China 2026, Pony.ai revealed a massive 70% hardware cost drop by installing their Gen 7 tech directly on Toyota's assembly lines. Partnering with Kitlel, they also launched an L4 electric truck for urban logistics, meaning it's fully autonomous, absolutely no human needed. Honestly, everyone obsesses over passenger robotaxis, but isn't the immediate gold rush actually in urban freight, where we don't have to worry about human comfort? Finally, existing operators are proving they can scale massive volumes right now. Waymo just crossed a staggering 500,000 weekly paid driverless rides and added Miami highway routes. Meanwhile, Aurora Innovation secured a crucial waiver to use amber flashing beacons instead of human-placed reflective triangles, a completely vital step for true human-free commercial freight. Ultimately, the era of autonomous mobility is no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly scaling, ruthlessly cost-competitive reality on our roads today.
This was NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.